Nothing about Chaminuka. Nothing at all. He just wanted, he wanted me to see that he has this mining of his as a spirit medium who was powerful.
Okay, guys.
Wait a minute. But when I got down, I said, what nonsense is this? You invite me to be told what happened to Chaminuka. And all she wanted was to see me and, and try to convince me that she is a spirit medium we should accept. And when Kala also knew about this, and he wanted Nkala to pay a kind of well, not salary, but an amount to sustain her annual, monthly. Nkala said, nonsense, you get away. And that's why there was a rift, between Kala and him. It was that it's not animosity, but the two did not all were not good friends. So that was a lie. You see, then we had some Indians doing our business under M&S party business. Goromonzi Farm and some companies, the party. He was working with them. We wanted to know what their efforts had yielded in monetary terms. We're not getting anything. And Mjuru said, no, you must investigate. This man is a crook. So when we started our investigations, well, we discovered that he had got some money from them without it having come from the party. I asked him why. He said to me, he had just got the money, he borrowed it. He wanted to pay some school fees for his kids. but the money was never paid back. So I got to know that my man was not was not quite honest, and he had indicated to me that it's not always that he tells me the truth. But I worked with him. We did some good things with him. I also did not know that as he worked with me, he was eyeing my position until quite late. Well, there it was. I was a fool to have him next to me, because then he connived with Chiwenga to oust me, and they thought now the best way of getting rid of him is to undertake a coup d'etat.